Sup, my fans. It's your boy Cat Speed. So today I'll be playing. It's a shawarma game, but this is a different one. This is different from the one I was playing, you know. But I guess this one is really good. I'm not sure. Comment down below. Okay, right now I gotta take the keys.
There it is.
Okay, then. I hope it's scary. Check food.
You gotta be kidding me.
What?
Nothing left.
What the fuck?
Alright, market run first.
What the fuck is the market? Drive to the market. Nah, bro. Okay, let me just drive to the market. Oh shit, this is a respect. What the fuck? Well, I don't really know how to drive. I don't wanna lie. Come on. Oh shit!
Whoa.
What the fuck?
Jesus, the deer.
Bro, how is that deer standing up? Bro, I was just getting started. What? Bro. Bro. Nah, man.
Welcome.
You gotta be kidding me.
Supplies are in the back aisle.
What's up, bro?
Take your time.
Okay, I'll take my time. What the fuck is the big guy? What the fuck is the big guy? I don't know what's happening right here. What's that? Okay. Lavash. Okay, I don't know what. Okay. Salad. Cola. Bro, I don't need a pistol. Bro, how the fuck am I supposed to get the cola? La 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 la. Cheese. Okay. Sauce. What the fuck is this sauce? Bro, where the fuck is the sauce? Oh. Cola. Oh my god, I'm getting sleepy. I don't wanna lie. Bro, where's the cola? Oh, I found it.
Be careful out there.
Okay, I'll be careful. Thanks. So go back to your truck. Oh shit. Speak.
Hey man, you're good to go. But let me break the job down real quick for you.
Okay.
First, start with the lavash. Put it on the counter. Then you're gonna slice the meat and add it to the lavash. After that, add toppings, salad, sauce, cheese. One more thing, if a customer's eyes are white, don't serve them. Close the shutter. I mark your first stop on the map. Good luck.
Okay, thanks. Okay, close this door. Can you just close this door? Nope, close. Oh shit. Okay, let's drive. I don't know. Okay. I guess I arrived. I guess I arrived. Yeah. Must I? Oh. Open the shut.
Hey, I'll take a shawarma with sauce, cheese, and salad. And a cola on the side.
Let me slice big one. Take your shawarma. Prepare it. Okay. Wait, let me get the cola.
Here you go.
Nice, thanks.
Thanks. Enjoy the rest of your day, I guess. Okay. Wait for customers. Okay, let me just put the food right here.
Hey, can you make it quick? Shawarma, cheese, and salad only. No drink.
Oh shit. You can't prepare order right now. Okay. So like what's happening with you? Are you sleepy? Oh, sorry. Are you sleepy or what? Done.
Here. You shouldn't be out this late.
Okay. The fuck? Okay. Nah, man. No, like, fuck you. You didn't even scare me, ha.
Oh, Hello, dear.
Okay. Oh shit, she's a great. Oh
Could I
shit.
have a shawarma
She's a granny. Granny's
with salad, no
no
cheese?
cheese. Oh shit, she's a granny. Grannies. Grannies are really creepy. Granny. Shit. What the fuck? Okay, okay. Yeah, and part of the door. Oh, she said no cheese. Fuck, I'm wasting my ingredients. Okay, toss. The fuck? Shit, lady, I think.
Here you go.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Okay. This one. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh shit! What the fuck? I am serving you, bitch! Close the shutter. No, I'm not serving you.
Yeah, that's enough.
Oh my god.
Not staying here.
Bro, you gotta leave. Is that guy gone? Oh shit, he's gone. Okay, let's drive.
We should find a place to stop soon. There's gotta be something up ahead.
Shit. Camp Crystal Week. Oh my god.
Hello, you. I'll take a shawarma.
Fuck, man, you fucking shot. Why?
Just lavash and shawarma.
Why is it open here?
And a cola.
Close this door.
You're very calm. Most people get jumpy this late. You get used to it. Calm suits you.
No. Stop telling me that shit, bro. Oh shit. This man. Oh shit. I'm wasting food right now. The fuck? Okay, okay. Only meat. Okay, I get it. Oh shit. The fuck? Nigga is so short. Why is bro so short? What the fuck is he? Take. Okay. What the fuck? Must they give you food?
Here you go.
Oh.
Perfect, thanks.
Okay, guys. Yeah. Oh shit. I'm a little bit sick right now. So like, guys, Let me give you a challenge. Let me give myself a challenge. If I scream, I end the video. Something like that.
Mixed shawarma.
Mixed shawarma. Mixed shawarma. Fuck you, bro. What, bro? Bro. Okay. Mixed shawarma. Take this one. I'm not throwing this away. Mixed shawarma. What the fuck? Okay. What the fuck? Oh, how is it? Okay. Just give this guy a show, man. Oh shit. What the fuck? Take color, bro. Oh my god, I took the code.
Here. Thanks. You ever notice how quiet it gets near water?
Yeah. Okay. Leave. Leave, bro. Fuck, it's kind of boring. Oh shit. The fuck? Oh man.
Don't like this.
Oh shit.
She's hungry.
Oh shit.
Meat.
Only meat. Shit. Okay. Oh my god.
She doesn't eat that.
What the fuck? Fuck! That motherfucker what's the motherfucker? Oh shit, she's chasing me. Leave me alone! Why are you coming to my shop? Please leave me alone! Leave me alone, you fucking bitch! Just let me go! Oh shit. Oh my god, oh shit. Oh fuck. Just run! She's dead ass crazy. What the fuck? Bitch, let me go. Just leave me. Leave me. I'm the son of Jesus. The child of God. Oh shit, she doesn't get scared. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. Can't catch me. Bro, I've been surviving. How long can I not survive? Not bad, man. Bro, she's been chased. Doesn't she get tired? Nah, gang. Nah, man. You know what? You win. You win. Fuck you. Fuck you. Shit. Guys, if it's your first time here, hit that like button and subscribe. Bro, 250 subscribers. Love you guys. I'm out.